Hey everybody, Miss Segovia here. I'm going to show you how to see how you did on the tests that you've taken through the BioPortal Principles of Life website. When you get to the main page, you're going to want to go to the assignments. It's going to show you all the assignments that you've been assigned. So far we just had the anatomy and physiology test, and shows that it was completed, the due date, and the grade that you got on it. When I click on this one here, it's going to take me to a little bit more detailed screen. Now, to show you this example, I took the test in under 1 minute and just clicked random things, which is why my score is so awful. I promise you, if I took my time, I'd do a lot better. But if you scroll down here, you'll see the performance by chapter. I actually pull questions from several chapters to make your test, and it gives you a mastery level of how you are doing on these. Your mastery level is going to be really low because you've only done a few questions. You have to actually test more and more to get those numbers high, and it also shows you the class average here. Going down a little bit further is what you're probably really looking for is the answer key. Now this won't be visible to you until after the exam has finished, and so everybody has their options to take it, because if I released it too soon, y'all would cheat off each other. So now that you can see it, you can go and see exactly which questions you got right and which questions you got wrong. It also is a way if we have a mistake on the key, which I understand we do have one, and I can see it right here, question number 1. Should be osmoregulation, and the key was osmoconforming. You can take this to your instructor and argue back for those points. Very nicely argue back for those points, and make sure that you can get those. But otherwise, when you're doing your corrections on here, you can go through and see all the different correct and incorrect responses. And then when you do your actual corrections, you do need to follow the remediation procedure. If you've forgotten what that is already, when you go to our class website and you click on remediation, over here on the right we have the information on remediating tests. The biggest issue I'm having with most people right now, I've let it slide, but when I come back it is hardcore, is this part right here. Since you already have the correct answers, I want to know a validation beyond the BioPortal website. You need to give me a specific website, a presentation reference, video reference, or specific notes or flashcards. I've had a few of you putting just google.com or answers.com or my notes or so-and-so's brain. That is unacceptable. I need very specific, a URL that I could go to and see that information in addition to the information that you already have. So I just want to make sure you guys are aware of that. Back on the BioPortal screen too, something I want to show you guys and prep you if you haven't already figured that one out. When you look at it from the student point of view, you can see my overall mastery right now is pretty awful because I just scammed through that test really quick. You can see the performance right here, but if you want to help yourself prepare for future exams, you can go to practice quiz. And on here you can pick chapters, whichever ones you want to do. Like right now we're in the anatomy and physiology, so we can go to animal form and function. And then the number of questions that you want to take. So if you just want to do a quick 5-question quiz, you click that, and then you click on Quiz Me, and oops, sorry. You can go through and do those little self-quizzes, and that'll help you guys out quite a bit. So I hope that answers some of your questions. Again, you go to Assignments, click on the test that we just took. Since the window to take it is now closed, you can see the answer key and what you got right and what you got wrong. Thanks, guys.